Hello guys, we're going to go into rate of change. This is for day 6. You guys don't have a notebook, but I will explain it here, okay? To find the rate of change from a table, determine the ratio of delta y over delta x, okay? This symbol right here means change. Okay, so the changes of y divided by the changes on x is what is going to give you your rate of change. On this table, we are going to find your delta y and delta x. Some of them are going to be different, some of them are going to be the same. What you need to make sure of is that they are going to simplify to its lowest terms and they are going to be the same. Okay, so for example, we have -8, -2, 0, 4, and 10. How is this table changing? Not by doing y over x, but by doing the changes on x and the changes of y. Okay, so we're going to divide the changes of y over the changes on x. So this is how you would find it. You will do, what we call the delta, which is a change, okay? This is going to be -2 minus -8, okay? At this point, you are going to multiply these two negatives, which is going to bring you to -2. Negative times a negative gives you a +8, okay? And this is going to give you a 6. So the changes from -8 to a -2 will be +6, okay? Now I'm going to go to the bottom one. This one will read 0 minus -2. Again, you're going to multiply negative times a negative will give you a positive, so the change is a +2. You can also view it on terms of a number line. This is a little bit longer, but if you do it, it will still help you. Okay, so we started at -8, -2. Well, if I move from -8 to -2, I am moving 6 spaces, and since I'm moving closer to the 0, I am adding. Okay, I'm going to a positive values. Okay. All right, then I will do 4 minus 0. Well, this will give you just 4, right? And then 10 minus 4 will give us 6, okay? This right here is going to be my delta y, okay? We're doing it on the y side. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find my delta x. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on that side, okay? So for this one would be -1 minus -4, okay? This one is going to become a positive because negative times a negative gives you a positive. And you're going to simplify it to a +3. We have more positive units, therefore it remains positive. 0 minus -1 will give you a +1. 2 minus 0 would give you a +2, and then 5 minus 2 would give you a +3. This is the one I was talking about, okay? All of those changes are different, right? We have a +6, +2, +4, +6. On this side, we have a 3, 1, 2, and 3, okay? For you to find out the rate of change, you will have to simplify all these changes. So we're going to say 6 divided by 3. I am grabbing my first delta y, my first delta x. Then I'm going to go and say, well, 6 divided by 3 is 2, right? This right here is my rate of change. And if we go and find all of the other deltas, we're going to find out that they are all going to simplify to a 2, right? So this is a rate of change.